today I'm gonna do like a really Canadian activity here that they have in Montreal. It's a bit on the outskirts of the city though. We're going to do apple picking! So cool! This activity was organized by our school, the University of Montreal. Oh my god, we're gonna go in a school bus! First time ever I will enter a school bus. I'm so happy. We drive for around 45 minutes toward the northwest to reach the orchards. Made it to Lafrance, which is like a field where we can go and do some apple picking activity. It'll be so fun. Cannot wait to pick all my apples and then cook them. So Canada is really looking for a workforce, and you will feel like when you will be walking around the country, but also in the street of Montreal, there are saying like you will see a lot of this like signage saying like we are hiring, like really everywhere. So yeah, so that's also why it's kind of easy to immigrate here in Canada. They really need a workforce. Let's start! Yay! Apple picking time! We paid $33 per person for the bus and the entrance fees. We have this big bag to fill up with apple. Halloween is just around the corner, so they already start to decorate everything. This is the map of the apple farm. So you see there is organized by sectors, and each sector really like they grow a specific apple variety. So let's see which one we'll take. Like we know nothing, so I think we just go a bit with all. This is where you have all the variety of apple that they have here in the fields. You can see like when you can go and take them, and also like the taste of each apple. It's really useful. We started our apple quest. So many apples on the floor. Look at them. Crazy. I'm trying to collect some apples, but I think like already a lot of people had come, so we have to climb up the tree in order to have some. But it's quite fun. You know, you feel like you're an adventurer, an explorer again. Voilà! Yay! Tu veux mettre là? Ah! Going down. It's super easy to climb, like really. We can also directly taste the apple. Okay. Cheers to apple, guys! The orchard is really well organized. You have different aisles and plots with the various type of apple they offer. Also, if you're tired, you can take the tractor shuttle back to the entrance. Some ladders are spread around the property. You can climb the ladder or climb the tree. Well, climb the tree is not really allowed, so we're gonna do the traditional way, climbing the ladder. At the top, you feel like you're the ruler of the world. Little pro tips, you know, like the further you go like away from the entrance, the more apples you have on the tree, because people don't really like to walk at the edge of the fields. So yeah, and there is also some that are really at the bottom, so that they're really easy to catch, and some with really particular like shape, and also like you have all sizes of apple, so you can really pick the one you want at your taste. I love this activity so much. Apple picking! We took this opportunity to take beautiful pictures. Love the result. Well, don't take the ones on the ground, or at least check them really well. Some were already out of stock. Oh, it's so sad, like we wanted like golden crispy or some stuff, and there is no more. Like we've been like going all inside the alley, nothing. We were so sad. The apple picking season runs from September to October. This is why during this season you can enjoy Quebec's beautiful autumn foliage.
So heavy! Oh my god, I took so much. I make a lot of crumble.
Now I have to pay for all those apples. It cost me around $25, but I have a bunch of it, like really 20 pounds. That's huge, like around 10 kilos of apples. Wow. We are heading back to the bus and going back to Montreal. We'll have to cook all that. Oh la la! Hey, so now that I'm back home, I need to cook all these beautiful apples. Well, maybe not cook all, but tonight I have a Thanksgiving dinner, so I want to make a crumble. It's super easy, and you'll see how I make it. First, preheat the oven to 210 degrees Celsius. Then, peel all the apples. Look, there's a couple! So cute, no? Slice the apple in 4 and don't forget to remove the seeds. Cut them into small cubes. Add a twist of lemon juice and sprinkle cinnamon and maple syrup. Place the topping ingredients, butter, flour, and sugar in a bowl and mix them with your fingers. You can also add some vanilla extract in the dough. Crumble the dough over the apples. Put in the oven for 30 minutes until golden brown. You can hear the sound. It looks so good. Oh my god. Ready to serve. I hope you enjoy, and anyway, explore your surroundings. The world is beautiful. Go out there, discover it. Bisous bisous!